Here are 5 homemade dog food recipes that can be appropriate for most dogs. Basic chicken and rice. Cook 1 cup of brown rice and mix with 2 cups of boiled, diced chicken. Add in some veggies like carrots and green beans. Beef and sweet potato. Cook 1 pound of ground beef and mix with 1 cooked and mashed sweet potato. Add some cooked diced carrots and green beans. Turkey and brown rice. Cook 1 cup of brown rice and mix with 2 cups of boiled, diced turkey. Add some cooked diced carrots, green beans, and a bit of cooked diced apple for a sweeter taste. Salmon and quinoa. Cook 1 cup of quinoa and mix with 1 can of drained salmon. Add some cooked diced carrots, green beans, and a bit of cooked diced sweet potato. Vegetarian. Cook 1 cup of brown rice and mix with 1 can of drained chickpeas and 1 cup of cooked, diced vegetables like carrots, green beans, and sweet potatoes. Add a small amount of olive oil for added flavor and healthy fats. Remember, these recipes should not be the only source of nutrition for your dog, and it's always recommended to consult with a veterinarian before making any dietary changes.